Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor overload protector in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor overload protector. The compressor overload protector is mounted on a common terminal of the compressor. It protects the compressor from overheating and overcurrent. If your fridge seems to be working but is not cooling at all, check if the compressor runs, and if not, test the compressor overload protector and replace it if needed. We will start with removing the water valve cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out. The cover has tabs on both sides. Push the sides in to unlock the tabs, turn the cover and release it. To get to the part, we need to remove the rear access panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws that hold the cover and remove it. Slide the cover away. Using the flat blade screwdriver, carefully pry off the start relay. Then, using the same screwdriver, pry off the old compressor overload protector. Be careful not to damage the compressor terminals. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the wire from the old compressor overload protector. This is the old compressor overload protector next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the wire connector onto the new compressor overload protector terminal. Install the new compressor overload protector on the common compressor terminal. Push it on all the way. Push the start relay onto the two top terminals. Install the rear access panel, secured with the Phillips screws. Snap on the water valve cover and secure it with the Phillips screw. Plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.